Hello, beautiful people. Welcome, welcome. Today I am showing you 10 keyboard and mouse shortcuts that'll cut your computer time in half. Let's dive in. Let's start with the true royalty of the keyboard. Control C and Control V, or Command C and Command V for my Mac family. These are your everyday champions, your silent partners in productivity. Now, let's talk about juggling. We all do it, especially on our computers, with a dozen windows open. Alt plus Tab or Command plus Tab on a Mac lets you switch between applications effortlessly. No more fumbling with the mouse, desperately searching for the right window. It's clean, quick, and wonderfully empowering. Oh, that heart-sinking moment. You delete a whole paragraph by accident. Ctrl plus Z or Command plus Z on your Mac is your personal undo button. One tap and that little mistake is history. It's like having a gentle rewind for your digital actions. No need for frustration, just a simple, quiet rewind. It's a true game changer for peace of mind. Sometimes our computer screens can start to look like our minds feel cluttered. Windows key plus D or F11 on a Mac clears the chaos, revealing your serene desktop. It's your digital peace of mind, available in an instant. Haven't we all done this? You accidentally close that one crucial tab. Control plus Shift plus T or Command plus Shift plus T on a Mac brings it back. It's like saying abracadabra to your browser. No more frantically trying to remember what you searched for. It's your safety net in the vast world of the internet. We spend so much of our lives in our web browsers. Control plus L or Command plus L for Mac users jump straight to the browser's address bar. No mouse needed, no fuss, no wasted motion. It's like having an express lane for your online journeys. Our eyes do so much for us, especially in this digital age. Control or Command on a Mac, combined with your mouse scroll wheel, zooms in and out. It's incredibly intuitive and offers instant adjustment to your viewing needs. Your eyes will thank you for it truly. For my Windows users, right-click drag gives you more control. A context menu pops up asking if you want to copy, move, or create a shortcut. It's a small tweak that adds a layer of sophisticated control to your workflow. Managing multiple windows can feel like digital Tetris. Windows key and arrow keys snap your active window to half the screen. Need it in a corner? Try Windows key plus up or down arrow after snapping it to a side. It's about creating a focused, efficient setup that lets you see what you need. Control plus F or Command plus F on a Mac is a true lifesaver. Type in the word or phrase you're looking for, and it will instantly highlight every instant. No more straining your eyes, no more wasted minutes. It empowers you to navigate information with speed and precision. My friends, look at you. A few shortcuts, and you're already moving smarter. Try these and let me know which one made you go, well, all right now. Hit that like button, tap subscribe, and turn on the bell. Until next time, go out there and own your every second, because every second is a gift.